All right, here's a little behind the scenes on what I'm currently working on. What you're looking at right here was my original garden. I think I built this around 2015. Then I had critters come in, and then I built this gate system that I could put with hooks on. And so that was kind of nice. Then I was getting a lot of weeds. So then I started using this landscaping fabric, using a square foot gardening system. You can see I got the old kind of square foot right there. It's kind of hunky-dory. It's, not well put together. So this time, now that I've done this, I'm gonna fix this up, give it a bit of a makeover. First thing I did was I needed a platform to walk down the middle because this is, I believe, is like 8 by 12. So you can't get all the way through. So what I did is I have a platform and I put these concrete blocks on the bottom, filled this up with mushroom manure, kind of leveled it out, and then I put this piece on top so I can walk on it. But what also is going to help me is staple all of this landscaping fabric in the middle. I have to put 3 rows of this stuff, so that's what I'm about to do right now. And after that, I will make a square foot grid here, and then I can just cut holes on where I want the plants to be. That way there will be no weeds. I also have an entire watering system. All comes down from over here. You can connect with that connector, but all of it is set up through this 4-zone timer, water timer. So one of those goes into this garden bed. So I'm gonna do a whole makeover. I will keep you updated with the progress as I go through. Right now, as I said, I gotta staple this landscaping fabric all the way across, do 3 rows. I got my DeWalt cordless compressor with a pneumatic stapler and some new staples that I just picked up today. So I'm pretty much ready to go. So I'm gonna get to work and I'll keep you updated on this progress. And here is the after. Look at that. So I built a square foot gardening system, stapled that landscaping fabric, and underneath, as I mentioned, is fresh mushroom manure. I also put the watering system, irrigation system. You can see there's one right there in the middle, and there's one in each corner. There's one there. Let me show you this one. So this all kind of ties up right here. And it basically covers this whole area. So this year, what I plan to do is to grow peppers all in here. So that is what I plan to do. Let me show you from this side how it looks. Absolutely beautiful. This gets sun. This is on the south side of my yard, so it gets sun all day long. I am looking forward to seeing what grows here. This was, again, my original garden. Let me turn the water on to show you how it looks, because it's one of the best watering systems I've ever put together. So we're gonna go over here. Let me just double check. This is zone number 1. So we'll do manual water for zone 1 for 1 minute. Press on. Watch this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's like the perfect watering system. So that'll go on once a day. And that's really all it needs. And it's on a timer, so I don't have to worry about it. So I'm really looking forward to when it gets a little bit hotter to start putting all the plants in that I already have growing in my greenhouse. It's going to be a very interesting gardening summer, that's for sure. Another thing I wanted to show is I put the landscaping fabric in this box. And the reason I did it was because of this. This is called Morning Glory. And this stuff grows like crazy. I'm doing my best to try to prevent it. So this year, I put landscaping fabric. I'm just going to cut holes. This is going to put like tomato plants or maybe squash or any kind of climbing plants. I didn't need to make this box this big. In hindsight, probably would have made it a little more narrow. But there it is. Square foot garden with the automated watering system with mushroom manure sitting on the south side of a house, all ready to go. Job well done. Let me know what you think about this. If you like this kind of content, be sure to like and subscribe. And I will grow a lot of stuff this year. And you'll get to watch and see it. This whole thing will be an oasis of green. So be sure to subscribe.